Good morning, students. Welcome back to our online tutorial class. Today, I shall show you how to draw four different random shapes. Four different random shapes. Before going through the examples, let us see the movement of a turtle's head. So if a turtle has to move right side, the figure on the desktop shows in which direction the turtle has to move. See here, from 0 angle to 90 and then to 180 and then to 360, how the turtle moves its head by the angle value. Look at here, from 0 to 90 and then from 90 to 180 and then from 180 to 360, way back to its original head position. So this is how the turtle moves in the right direction. On the other hand, if the turtle has to move on the leftward direction, so the figure above depicts how the turtle has to move towards the left direction. The same scenario from 0 to 90 and then from 90 to 180, 180 to 360. 360 means again towards its original home position. So this is how the turtle moves in the left direction. If you can recognize properly the movement of the head of a turtle in right or left, then we can write those logo primitives. So let us move on with our example. So to start them, I'll show you by writing some of the logo primitives or logo commands. But remember, in our example, the steps, the moving forward steps that I will be taking, the value that I will be taking is 50 steps. So I will always move the turtle 50 steps in our example so that you can easily understand. You can take as many number of steps you want to move ahead. Maybe FD 50, FD 70, FD 100. But in our example, I will stick to only moving 50 steps forward. These are the four random shapes that I'm going to display, or I'm going to construct them using logo primitives. One of the very random shape that we can draw is just write or type on the input box FD forward 50. The turtle will move 50 steps ahead. Now the next step that I'm going to do is simply left turn the turtle's head. Left turn. So for left turn, I am writing LT 90. The value 90 degree angle. The turtle should move. Now if I click on execute or enter key, the turtle will move its head in the left direction. Now type or write FD 50 so that it moves 50 steps forward. When you click on execute or enter key, it will move 50 steps forward. As I said, I will take only 50 steps in our example. So this seems to be one such random shape that we can draw. Another example I will show you, but before that, remember, if I want to clear this particular screen, I will write a particular command called clear screen. Clear screen. The short form is CS. On the input box, if I type CS and click on execute, the screen gets clear. Now, if I want to remove the commands that are there on the output box, see, these are the commands that are there on the output box. If I want to remove this, I will simply write clear text. Clear text. CT stands for clear text, and click on enter key or execute. The entire commands will be cleared so that we can move to our next example. Now another random shape I will show you is simply type in the input box FD, again 50 steps, and click on execute. It is moving upward. Now left turn the head of the turtle LT 90 and click on execute. So the head of the turtle turns in the left direction. Now simply again type in the input box FD 50 and click on execute. It is now moving in the forward direction 50 steps as I have written. Now what I shall do is I shall turn the head of the turtle in the right direction. So for that I will write RT right turn space 90-degree angle and click on execute. So the head of the turtle turns towards the right direction. Now you move again 50 steps forward. For this FD 50 and click on execute. So this seems to be another random shape that can be drawn using logo primitives or logo commands. Now again, to clear this, I will write clear screen CS. The screen is cleared, and to clear the commands that are there on the output box, CT stands for clear text. Click on execute. The entire commands seems to be removed from the output box. Now we shall see another random shape. One such random shape can be, now in the previous examples we have always moved the turtle forward. Now what we will do is we will move the turtle in the backward direction, in the opposite direction. So to turn the turtle in the opposite direction, what we have to do is we have to turn the head of the turtle 180-degree angle, which means 90-degree right, again another 90-degree right, twice. So 90 plus 90 is 180-degree. So if you move twice, so it will completely turn in 180-degree. So to do this, just in the input box type RT 180 and click on execute. The head of the turtle turns in the opposite direction. Now simply type the forward command FD 50 steps, click on enter or execute. So it moves towards the opposite direction now. Now again what we will do is we will turn the head of the turtle either right side or the left side. Let us say we will turn, in this particular example we will turn the head of the turtle in the left direction. So to do this, simply type in the input box LT 90. If you type LT 90 and click on execute, the head of the turtle is turning in the left direction. Now move forward FD 50, click on execute. It is moving in the forward direction again. So this is one such random example. So to clear this again, click on clear screen, click or type clear screen and then click on execute. It is cleared. To clear the commands, simply type or write CT clear text and execute. So everything is cleared. Now one last such random example that I'm going to show is the same procedure as before. What I will do is I will turn the turtle completely in the opposite direction. To turn the turtle completely in the opposite direction, this time I will turn towards the left way. In the previous example I have turned in the right direction, right side 180. Now this time I will do it left turn 180-degree angle and click on execute. So it is turning towards the left and then in the opposite direction. Same way, now move forward FD 50 steps, click on execute, moving forward. Now what I will do is I will turn the head of the turtle in the right direction. So this side is the right, this side is the left. So I will turn the head of the turtle in the right direction. So RT, again 90-degree angle, execute. It is turning towards the right side. Now type FD 50 steps forward and click on execute. It is moving in the forward direction. This is one such example. So I have shown you 4 different random shapes. You can try it out at home. If any problem persists, you can kindly contact me. So with this, we come to the end of today's class. Thank you.